Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my favorite exfoliators. I only have a couple here because I'm pretty picky, but I have dry skin and so I have to exfoliate at least 2 to 3 times a week or else my skin starts to look really dull, and it already doesn't look glowy on its own. I have to use products to get that look, and so when it starts to look dull, it's just like I look dead. It looks awful. So I thought I would share with you guys the favorite ones that I use throughout the week and tell you how I use them. The first one is the most expensive one, and I did a review about it a while ago and I was like, it's so expensive, I just feel like it's not worth it. And now I feel like an idiot because I keep buying it even though I do buy the smaller size because I just can't bring myself to spend as much as they want. I think it's like $130 for the full size. And this is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, Hollywood's 2-minute facial. I actually really do like this. I feel like it gives me the tingle because what you're supposed to do with this is leave it on for 2 minutes. You like work it into the skin. It says AM or PM. I only exfoliate at night because it makes my face turn really red, and then I'm like trying to walk around town like that. So it says AM or PM, use once or twice a week, apply a thin even layer to clean wet face, massage in circular motion for 30 seconds. Leave on for up to 2 minutes, rinse and gently pat dry. This product may cause the skin to tingle and flush slightly for a short time. For sensitive skin, leave on for less than 1 minute. I would never use this on sensitive skin. But having said all that, I do love it. I feel like it gives my skin like a nice glow. This is something I like to use on a Sunday so that it kind of preps my skin for the week coming up. So definitely love this. My next one is the Rodan & Fields Reverse Deep Exfoliating Wash. I can't get on board with their toner or their sunscreen or their moisturizer, but I do really like this and their eye cream. So with this, it's a very grainy one, and like big grainy, not small, but I do find that it gives my skin, like it looks like it's been scrubbed good after I use it. This is one that I use only at night as well. I never exfoliate in general during the day. I use this at night, and I would say I use this about 2 to 3 days a week during the weekdays. And then my next one is the Arbonne Plus FC5 Exfoliating New Cell Scrub. This is literally almost gone. This is my second bottle of this that I've gone through, and I need to get another one. It's got this much in there. I really like this. I have to say, out of all the exfoliators, I like this because it's very fine granules, and I feel like you could actually get away with using this more often than doing just 2 to 3 days a week because it is so fine. It just doesn't scrub the crap out of your face. But I also find that what I like to do with it is I scrub it, like massage it in, and then I just let it sit for a little bit. They want you to do that with this one too. They want you to massage it on to the face for 30 to 60 seconds with the Rodan & Fields one. And then this one, it doesn't say for how, oh, it says for 1 minute. So something I like to do with it, I like to like massage it in really well. I always make sure to get like my nose and T-zone area really well, anywhere where like blackheads could show up. So I like to get those areas really well, and then I just kind of let it sit for 60 seconds maybe. I like massage it all in real good and then just let it sit while I do my other stuff, and I just really like it. I'm sad that it's almost gone. I'm gonna have to get another one. Same with this one. This one's gone now too. So yeah, those are my favorite exfoliators. I think that sometimes exfoliation gets a bit of a bad rap because people over exfoliate their skin, and then they're like, oh, I used to exfoliate and it just tore my skin up. And that's because you're over exfoliating, which is so easy to do, which is why I say if you have dry skin, you should exfoliate probably around 3, maybe at the most 4 times a week, depending on how dry your skin is. And then if you have oily skin, you probably only need to do it twice a week. But the purpose of exfoliating is it helps to lift all of the dead skin cells off your face. And I know a lot of people will say they do that with their acids, like acid toners and stuff, because those are exfoliating. But I just think that there's something to the actually physically lifting them off, removing them, and washing them away. So yeah, those are my favorite exfoliators. I would love to know what your favorite exfoliating products are. Do you have something from the drugstore that is a bit more affordable? Because I know most of these are quite pricey. So leave that down in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree.